To solve the differential equation dy dx is equal to x plus y whole square, let us put x plus y is equal to t. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get 1 plus dy dx is equal to dt dx. From here we have dy dx is equal to dt dx minus 1. Now if we put this value in the given differential equation, so we will get dt dx minus 1 is equal to x plus y is equal to t, so we will have t square in the right hand side. From here we get dt dx is equal to 1 plus t square. Again this can be rewritten as dt over 1 plus t square is equal to dx. Now integrate both sides, so we need to add integral constant c. We know that the left hand side can be written as tan inverse t is equal to x plus c. Now put the value of t, which is x plus y, so the solution will be equal to tan inverse of x plus y is equal to x plus c, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.